Defending Red Star Premier League champions Arnett Gardens had their 19-game unbeaten run ended by Portmore United as they were crushed 5-1 on Sunday at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. The Junglists were 2-0 down in the opening 23 minutes through Saniki Burton's second-minute strike and an own goal from O'Neill Thompson. 2 minutes before the break, national player Ricardo Morris stamped Portmore's dominance in the game to make it 3-0. Burton returned to notch his second in the 52nd minute to make it 4-0. Fabian Reid pulled one back for Arnett 4 minutes later, but Javon East's 12th goal of the season polished off the performance for the Shavar Thomas coached team.
We wanted to put them on the back foot coming here. We noticed that Arnett don't travel well, and that's something that we wanted to use to our advantage. We'll build on it. We have a lot more games coming up. No disrespect to Arnett Gardens, very good team. They are the defending champions, so they still have the trophy to lose. But you know, we didn't need validation to say that we are this of a good team or not, because we see it every day in practice from the players. So, you know, it's the work that they put in every day.
Congrats to Portmore. I think they did well. Arnett on the day, you know, today it was a day of errors, and anybody who watch a game, you could see that it happened, you know, just over and over, time to time. And also the concentration of the team, you could see that it was an all-time low.
Meanwhile, a goal from Andre Moulton and an own goal from Ryan Wellington lifted TVJ Gardens to a point behind Arnett Gardens with a 2-0 win over Harbour View. TVJ Gardens ended the game with 10 men after Sean Coleman was ejected for a second bookable offence.